Welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and guess what, guys? I am here in a great community, New Market. New Market has a lot of history, great people, and I can't wait to explore. So guys, I want you to just take a tour with me through the town of New Market.
You know, history, 1980 flood, 79, so 1980, then I built up what happened, so that's where they have.
Okay, so this is the old town.
Yeah, old town. So they go in 1953, whirlwind come on car, right?
Whirlwind? So what happened then?
No man, the civilians just come and pick up the car.
Wow.
What is your name?
My name is Ian.
Ian. And you play which route?
New Market of Black River.
Okay, so guys, I am with Ian. He travels from New Market to Black River. Now what he's just sharing with us is that in 1983, a whirlwind picked up a car in that vicinity over there. Alright, what it is like flying from New Market to Black River?
Well, you know, like public time and all, business have ups and have downs. But in terms of that, we look at different money, different we have now is that because some of our taxi operator has gone on the program and travel otherwise.
Oh, they travel overseas?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then, thank you, Mr. Ian.
Yes, we're on the road selling hot dog and it's a pleasure to on the road.
Yes.
Dry.
But things are slow here or?
Slow man, slow, but we can go on.
Okay.
We don't put anything on the road, so anything we get, we just can give God thanks.
So taxis run in this area, where the taxis normally go to?
Santa Cruz and Black River. And up by Louisville.
Oh, okay. Now, the market has moved from here to up in the town. How has it affected sales? Meaning people just pass through to go up to that area and they don't stop?
No, but just Monday alone up here.
Oh, okay, okay. And then they will have their sales. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm going to look for Mr. Collins
Okay.
to see if he can tell me anything.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll hear it. You hear?
Yes.
And thanks for watching.
Yes.
My first experience was in 1979. The time I just came from England
Yes.
with my mother and father.
Yes.
And they were New Market people. They born and grow here and so on. But in June 1979, a massive flood.
That is June 1979.
79. Yeah, we had a massive flood in the community here of New Market. And the whole of the community from New Market straight back to Westmoreland, Bluefields, you name it.
Yeah.
That place was
We're all flooded?
flooded out. From Westmoreland come straight to New Market. Right?
Yes.
But the thing is, what caused New Market to flood, which is a regular occurrence, is that we're in a basin. If you look round and round, you notice right round and round is a hillside.
Yeah.
And we're right in the middle, so that make the community a basin,
Okay.
you know, and vulnerable to flooding
To flood.
at all times. I've witnessed about at least 4 to 5 floods since then, which haven't been as bad as 79. And so,
Okay. But currently now though, how has the flooding been in the community so far?
well, it hasn't been so bad, you know, because we haven't been getting what would you call it, irregular rainfall.
Yes.
We're getting very normal rainfall. But as you know, it's climate change.
Yes.
And for the last 3 years, the rain is much more and consistent in the area. We're getting more rainfall and so on. But it's not like 79.
Okay.
Because in 79, it was ready for about 3 days.
It's 3 days.
Which many people don't realize it.
High level of rain.
Right, the rain start from the Sunday night, I remember. And between Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, we didn't get it on enough rain. And the only intervals that we got was 5 minutes, would you believe it? 5 minutes in between
right throughout,
right
night
through,
and day.
Night and day, straight till June the 12th, which was the Wednesday morning. The
Okay.
whole place was underwater.
This gentleman was sharing a story with me that a gentleman climbed a post. And when they got to save him, he was still clinging on to the post, so he was afraid to come down.
Right.
In those times.
Yeah, but in those times, we even lucky did have a post we climbed.
Oh.
Back in a few miles from here.
Yes.
Westmoreland, all the posts them cover. All of the posts them cover. There was
Yes.
no post. You couldn't even know where you are.
Yes.
Because it's actually a sea. You're looking at a sea straight going back into Westmoreland.
Okay, alright. So the market used to be into the town, but now it has been relocated.
It's Louisville.
Yes.
Which is a mile and a half from here.
So how has it affected things in the town? Do people prefer going to Louisville, or what was it like when the market was in New Market town here?
Well, it was like a coronation market, isn't it?
Ooh.
Just because New Market was the best in the whole island. Because it was central.
Yes.
Every market in Jamaica, most of the people then could tell you about New Market because they used to come here.
Yes.
They come here and buy and go sell to the other markets. So New Market was the central market of Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah, it was central. So you could imagine on a market day, it ram-packed with people.
Oh,
But
okay.
even though you have the relocation of the market up there, people still come back to New Market.
They still come down.
Yeah, and relocate back here. As you can if you
Yes, because I'm seeing some market stalls
Activities.
into the area itself.
Yeah, because you see New Market originally, New Market was a port, before me and you born.
It was a
It
port.
was a port where people come in and rest. Like a rest stop.
Yes.
Back in the old colonial Victorian days.
Yes.
New Market was, and in those days it never named New Market, it did name Old Port.
Old Port.
That was the name of New Market, Old Port. Where people come and stop, rest before they move again.
Okay.
And that's what made New Market popular.
Yes.
The name New Market, the name New Market came from the market that was being built because of the flood in 1933, I believe.
Oh.
No, 1927.
1927.
Yeah, 1927, when the original market was being built.
Yes.
And you wanted to, say like you did want to meet somebody that was working on the market. You meet somebody and say, what happened to John, man? What happened to the other guy? Oh, he might work on the new market. And it just stuck.
So that's how the name come about. New Market.
Yeah.
So the old market was probably flooded.
Which is down the road.
Down the old town. It's down there they call Old Town?
Right, if you go down there, you will see a shop called Florida.
Yes.
That's behind there was the original old market.
Old Market.
And in those days, they call it swap market. This is before me born.
Yes.
Call it swap market, where people carry the animal and swap. That would be before the cash used to come in.
Yes.
They call it bartering. If you know your school, you will know. In those days, they never have money. They call it bartering.
Bartering.
Where you swap.
Yes.
If what we have is valuable more than yours, we have a deal. We make a deal and we swap.
Yes.
And that's how it started.
Okay. Okay. Very interesting. Today now, overall, comparing to then, how can you compare today to then?
It's a complete different atmosphere and a complete different form of trading.
Yes.
It's a complete different turnaround. But New Market is still the New Market that everybody knows.
Yes.
Because life is here. As you look around, you see activity
People.
going on. People doing their things. So New Market can't die.
Yes.
The originality is there.
Still.
If you look around, you'll say, but wait, this is going on and that going on. But it used to go on years ago.
Yes.
So even if it's not as much, but it's there. The atmosphere is there. The New Market atmosphere is still there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Justice Collins, thank you for having me. So overall, so you were saying that this is the area where the old market was.
This town is always a town that flooded. Yeah, but
Flooding.
right here.
And it flood constantly or no? Because I realize that it's being developed. I see building and so on.
Yeah, but you have flood last year. Back down.
Okay. So guys, this is the area where the old market was, and now the area is being developed. So we are with Miss Dasa. So anytime you come to New Market, remember who to support.
Dasa.
Support Miss Dasa. She has a bar and she also has a restaurant.
I don't think saltfish because also. So, no market is trying to develop, but you know, they try to.
Yeah.
As a black people, you know, survive under the Chinese. And because them, as time to them, the price is lower. I know.
Yeah.
Chinese, you know, sometimes they eat food and sometimes they eat food. So, and a whole, most of Jamaican people kind of think to China because they say China sells things more cheaper.
In most cases,
But
that's not the case.
no, but most of the time you take your goods with the Chinese, go home, sit down, check your goods them with the Chinese bill. The Chinese them will lead you someone way far and that. You just cash, pay them and gone. And when you look them, grab your card later.
So guys, what she's basically saying is that as Jamaicans, we need to support our Jamaican people. We need to support our Jamaican businesses. We need to start supporting each other, and then things will flow, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we need to support our local businesses and not make it bad for others, but build others and lift up others. Alright, so I want to thank you for having me. And, okay.
Yeah, I like this gentleman.
But they
But I
just
can
come.
still feel like some detail how the first flood picture we know have started 1979 June.
Yes,
So
yes.
them can make people from that.
That was 11
The one
months
that
old.
comes.
Oh, you were 11 months old. Okay. But you would have some history about it.
All I know that one year that it was rough.
It was?
Rough.
Oh.
Well, I was 9 at that time, and the time people tell me a lot of it. Oh yeah. I could tell you a lot about it. All these villages,
So that flood
all these
took
places
place in the
here.
1970s.
19 June from
I heard that.
1979.
I heard
1979.
that.
Yeah, with the
Flood
water
water
coming
is very
down.
high. I heard that. A man sailed and I like it. I went to go for you. Still no one like
So when you climb the light post.
No, how can see this thing? You go to light post and hold on to it at the top. You go down the light post.
Yes.
Right? And you hold on to the top. And you decide to not go out and get help.
Well, you know, from the corridor, I know that comes on the kind of
Slow.
right there.
And I heard that.
Most
Seven.
kind of scary.
7 lose life.
7 lost their lives. So many people died at that time. 7 people.
People in one prison.
Oh my God.
On the 12th of June 1979, Western Jamaica was ravaged by flood rains. The Meteorological Division of the Ministry of Public Utilities estimates that over 85 billion gallons of water were released in this area within a 24-hour period, and that the return period of this phenomenon varies from between 50 to 150 years. The severe hydrogeological and drainage problems which ensued were caused by the combination of this tremendous rainfall, together with the less spectacular but very damaging rains which had been falling in the disaster area during April and May. The results were well known. 41 persons lost their lives, houses were washed away, crops destroyed, bridges wrecked, roads severely scored, blocked or demolished, and indeed, the flood waters have receded from Leamington, Enfield, Exeter, and Chigwell. The town of Newmarket was buried under 80 feet of water. The government took immediate steps to assist the communities in the disaster area.
Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.